Yes, everybody. Good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Blessed Sunday to everyone and them family out there. I hope everyone is having a blessed Sunday. Meaning, I hope everyone have something to eat today. You know what I say? Hope everything is alright. With that said, let's get to the problem. I just watched a video a while ago on social media, and I see a Chinese man, a supermarket owner, proceeding to remove a man from out of the store which him consider a madman. Well, in this case, I don't know if the man is a madman. Maybe it's him attire where him have on. It not look too pleasant. But to me, this man is a functionable person. So it look like him don't like the man. But the way him talk to the man, and I tell the man to come out of him place and don't come back in here and all kind of thing, the way him deal with the man, as a Chinese man with a Jamaica. It look like him there so long him learn to speak the language. I know for sure him not born Jamaican, because if him was, he would have speak it better than the way him speak it. So apparently him have connection down there, because him all tell the man say if him come back there, him not go touch him. That is a good thing me hear him say. You know what I say? But if him come back there, somebody go box him down. So that's somebody that will go box down that person there. Obviously, I'm a Jamaican, because in the commotion inside of the store, while I tell the man to come out, I hear a Jamaican, I tell the China man to tell him, run him out. So, a next Jamaican siding with a foreign national, right? This is nothing about racism. With a foreign national, a Chinese foreign national, all right? Knowing that if the situation occur, reverse, this black man could have never got China go do that if he was a businessman, because the whole China would have came down on it right there and then. So when you have citizens of the country that's siding with foreign nationals who come there to deal with the people of that country in an ill-mannered way, thinking that they can just deal with the people any way they want to and get away with it. And these things is being shown on social media for sure. You say, a peer slap Mr. Go on Jamaica, because the government is not doing anything to adjust these problems that's occurring. Remember, Mr. Government, these people are foreigners. They might be business people, but they are foreigners. Without the Jamaican people, them come to them place and support them, them cannot sustain themselves living in Jamaica, because them don't have no land here where them can go farm up unless them buy that. You see me? So, for them come there and I treat the resident and the citizens them of Jamaica like that, and I disrespect them, why them I spend them money there. And I like the man go there for go thief. Because I say if them catch him a thief something, the man come there to spend him money. And the way I deal with the man, and I tell the man to come out of him place, and if him come back there, man I go box him down and all kind of thing. You see, when Jamaican, when too licky. Because when see him on a side with these foreign nationals for beat up on the own people them, and disrespect on the own people them, not knowing say, Uno is one mistake away from becoming just like that brother there. Wanna violate and I try disrespect. I don't like people who take advantage of people. Straight up me I tell you now. You see me? When you know you can do something, you see me? You're not supposed to do it just because you can do it. No, and that's how the world works, brother. You see me? You see, anybody where you see walk and take advantage of people, me and nah agree. Me not care who you is. If he's a killer and you walk and you just fuck with people just because you know he's a killer and because you know you can defend yourself and you want a man step to you so you can murder him. Me not respect that. You see me? And that goes for any profession you're in. Once he's an aggravator, me not respect that. You see me? So, this need to be addressed. This situation need to be addressed. You see me? Because this is spiraling out of control in Jamaica. Them people that can't just come to Jamaica and just come down there and violate and disrespect the citizens them of Jamaica. We can't say if the citizens them go in there and start violate and disrespect them, then them have all right to defend themselves because a man is a man. But not the way them a go about it, thinking them a businessman and them can deal with people any way they want to deal with people. That have to change in Jamaica. And that start with the government. That's why I always a bonfire upon the government because I don't allow them things to happen. When you treat people of Jamaica, especially in the garrison, like them are nothing. I don't do anything just to get $1 from these people. When you sell out all of the private sector. I don't even think 10% left at Jamaica for the Jamaican citizens them if they want to buy it because we don't even allow it. I don't have these people at Jamaica violate and disrespect the citizens them of Jamaica. At time, you know, brother. At time. If you don't fix them situation here, or address them situation here, people are going to get fed up. It's just a matter of time, brother. You see me? I don't care if you're labor right or you're PMP. At justice and human rights we are deal with. We're tired of the inhumane living and the way on the treat people. You see me? At Jamaica we say, from birth till death. You see me, brother? I want Jamaica. And we have to get rid of all bad corruption. Everything got to go. Politician, police, bad man, everything have to go. Jamaica need a new start. And start with them business people here. A time for we take back our country. A time for we start be the businessman in our country. A time for we start own all of the business them at Jamaica. Free Zone is one of the biggest places at Jamaica. That's so for all of these top elite what they call it now, designers and stuff. You see me? And the Jamaican people been sewing clothes for Tamil Figure and all of these people. And I get robbed. Them now get the pay what them supposed to get. And the government sit down and watch them things that happen for years of Free Zone until them shut down Free Zone. Jamaica is a great place. But it's very corrupted. That's why these things keep happening in Jamaica. You see me? A time for we get rid of all of them. And the only way Jamaica go better. They need to go, man. They need to go. And the second thing I want to talk about is, me see our next video. When are we gonna fix the flat bridge? So commute can be better going that way in Jamaica. I hears now not tell people say the bridge can't fix because I hears now not pocket the money. I want to want to spend the money with IMF going for fix the bridge on rather people drown. It's like it's a sacrifice thing on deal with in Jamaica. Why the whole are rich like that, the whole are on the politician. On sacrifice the people them to all of these creatures. You see me people, you might not know what go on. But this thing is deeper than what you think in Jamaica. Them devil boy, them a do them something out of spite. You see me? Technology is too advanced right now for you to tell me, say, there's no way them can fix the bridge, a flat bridge. Them don't want to fix the bridge or flat bridge because them have to pocket the money for themselves and them family and them friend. Screw Jamaica. The rest of Jamaica get screwed. If you're not in a politics, you don't get your share. That's why you see the police them go around and them do what them do. Because them are work for the politician them. And me, everybody knows say, the politician them control all of the gang them. All of the senator them are the Dan. Them are the real Dan. And them give the order and the Dan them carry it out. So it's time for we get rid of them. And you boy Arias Chang. And you that Jamaica make them boy ya do all of them something where them a get away them thing ya. You, Mr. Gun Smuggler. You. No afraid of no me attack. I'm modern day time now. When if you don't want to kill me, you want to kill me. That me I tell you, me attack. When you go ahead, put 39 in me. Me not care. Me attack. Jamaica need for change. I want to make all of them something here. I spiral out of control with all of them behavior wanna try portray upon the Jamaican citizens and the people them of Jamaica. Look on these people, them come from all the way across the ocean and come to Jamaica and disrespect people. I want to sit back and I watch them things happen. And if the people in Jamaica start get an uprising, you know what I do? I want to send on the security forces them figure neutralize them by executing the people on site. And the whole world sit back and watch this. And this happen not just in Jamaica, the whole Caribbean, Brazil, South America. Brethren, don't be fooled. All of these things is a planned, orchestrated thing by the upper heads. Because they make a mistake when them send way to the Caribbean, brother. They never know say there's all of the treasure there. Everything what them need to sustain themselves, they in the Caribbean and Africa. Because every food that's in the Caribbean is in Africa. It was brought from the Africans to the Caribbean. That's why they want to try to get rid of we know out of the Caribbean so them can come in and come situate themselves so them can come eat healthy and then get them immune system strong up and everything. Don't be fooled. They might try to get rid of it. And the politicians them might help them because they might get paid. You see me? They might barabbas the whole of them. Them sell we out for little and nothing. Pieces of silver them sell we out for. Shillings. Please, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. And we again. We are mad right now, star. I can't even eat my Sunday dinner when I cook. We just watch a video. Mr. Prime Minister, you need to do better, you and your constituency. This is Jamaica. This is not China. This is not Asia. Jamaica is for Jamaicans. It's not for Jamaicans and everybody else. Yes, we welcome everybody else. Everybody else can come there and live. Just like, Jamaicans migrate abroad and go to everybody else's country. When we go there and we misbehave, what them do? Them send we back home. So one time the Chinese people them come there and I misbehave and I go out with them bullshit and if you send them back at them yard. And stop the favoritism because of money. Because them cannot come there and violate and disrespect the people them and the citizens them of Jamaica. When them come there and sell fake food, fake rice, fake all of them something here, and people supposed to accept them something there. Want to depend, brethren. Want to depend because we don't live in Jamaica, you know. We just stay at Jamaica for the week. Weekend on the fly out on the Ghana on the yard to the family and Miami, wherever on the Ghana, California, all over. And then come back on Monday and back to business again. And on the side, and look a pen and when you get rid of who for get rid of, a time for them something to stop. Because we the people put in our power. And because you know a politician and because the law set away in the Caribbean, you can just go kill people and get away with it. And that's why you know do all of them thing here. There's no human rights for come down pa uno and I check uno. We not the security forces for check uno within the country when you no misbehave. I mean, you know much video me do and I say them something here, and I know me not hear say them farmer task force in Jamaica for go off a corrupted politician, police, and government officials in high position. I know me not hear say them farm nothing. Them give back all Paula Luluwin our job as a corrupted DA. Then tell me if Jamaica now have a problem. And the politician them is the problem. Them don't, Bridging, them not try fix the system. Them a keep the system broken so them can keep down the youth them. And them get to do what they want to do because there's no laws in Jamaica that govern them. So there's no government that's going to come from out of other country and come tell them, say, what them are do them wrong. Because guess why? The other government them from the other country, them side with them too. Because of them are give them the money. So when them do the things them like that, them are get them agenda across. So all of the rest of the country them are side with the government them in Jamaica. And that you know if you know. That's why these things can happen. So, you go ahead, kill me. Come in here. A time for them something to stop. Jamaica has suffered too much. Jamaica been a suffer for the last 68 years. 70 years now. Because a politician. Who you think make all of them done here? Who bring gun in the island and all of them thing there? The politician them. Who you think Bill Jim Brown and Curly Locks and all of them man there? The politician them. We think you fly them out, go Cuba and all of them thing there. Go train. The politician them. A time for them get exposed. And them boys are the criminal. And them are the thief. Them are the robber. Them are the murderer. Time for get rid of them. Because them are mash up the country. Too much time them turn a blind eye and I take money. For people come inside of the country and disrespect and violate Jamaican-born citizens. No more. We saying, Mr. Prime Minister, no more. This is a stand. We're taking a stand. We want better for Jamaica, yes, but not this way. Please, everybody, like, share, and subscribe at Global Watch Media. Tell a friend for tell a friend, and we again. Boom, 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 boom.